show you guys. It is Glueless AF. You can lift it and put it back down. Alright guys, so we are back today with another hair video. So shout out to Beautyforeverhair for sponsoring today's video. So today's video is a 7x5 Byebye knots unit. So this is a body wave texture, guys. Now this is a very simple hair video today, guys. It's the same day install, no glue, no sprays, nothing. Now this unit did come with a pre-cut lace, guys, and you guys can see that the knots on this one, the lace looks impeccable AF, guys. They did a really good job on this unit. It does come with an adjustable strap, guys, and every not co-wash this hair, guys. I did not bleach these knots. I didn't tweeze anything. So the unit pretty much comes to you ready to go and ready to install, which is one thing I really like about this unit, guys. Now you guys will see, like I said, I did cut some layers into it. I kept it in middle part style, guys, so very simple. I do have a video up on my channel how to layer your unit, so you can go ahead and click the cards up here and watch that layering video. So let's go ahead, guys, and jump into this video. Like I said, very simple. Alright guys, so this is what the unit looks like plopped on my head. Hopefully the middle part is giving middle part. My middle parts never give, but I think that's pretty much good. So the unit, like I said, is a body wave texture. I did not co-wash this unit, so I just kind of layered in and amplified the curls on it. But I'm gonna go ahead and touch it up for you guys. So this is what it's gonna look like, guys. Very nice and fluffy. I believe the length on this one is about a 22 to 24 inch. I'll leave all the specs down below or in this video. But you guys can see, very nice. Now this is the hairline of the unit, guys, straight up. This is it out the pack. I didn't add any powder around the hairline or anything like that. So this is a 7x5, guys. Very large and in charge. So there's 2 combs on this unit, guys, and the 2 combs are right here. So there's 3 combs on this unit. So there's 3 combs on this unit. So there's 3 combs on this unit, guys. 2 on the side and 1 on the back, and it makes the unit very secure. Obviously the elastic band makes it very secure. So you guys can see the hairline looks super natural. I'm gonna go ahead and tap some powder on it and make some masks. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some of this powder in the middle part area as well, guys, so that can be a little bit more crisp. But you guys can see they did an excellent job on these knots, guys. The unit looks absolutely stunning. So I'm gonna go ahead and use some of my hot tools. I got my hot tools, a 1/4 barrel curler. I'm just gonna flatten the top of this out, guys, just to make sure that it's nice and smooth and nice and silky. As you guys can see, it looks real silky and smooth right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and just refresh some of the curls. There is like a lot of flyaways in the front area here, which I don't know why. And my forehead looking greasy too, guys. Looking real freaking greasy right here. I don't know what's going on with that. But anyway, so I do have like a little bit of flyaways, so I'm gonna use like a little bit of a wax stick just to get the flyaways in the front down. But I cut pretty much layers like I usually do. Like I said, I do have a video that I'm gonna actually leave a card for up top. But like I said, this is the same day install. All you have to do, if you don't even want to layer, you can just leave the body wave straight length texture the way the length it is. I decided to go ahead and cut it just to give me more of like a, you know, that feathered bang look. It's so trendy, so I just kind of cut it, you know, that way so that you can kind of see how it's giving or what it's giving. I'm just gonna go ahead and curl a few sections out, not everything, guys, just a few sections, because like I said, I already pre-curled this unit, so I'm just gonna buff it out so you guys can kind of see what it looks like. But this is a really nice unit, guys. Plop it right on, and the lace is impeccable AF. You don't have to bleach this unit. You don't have to tweeze this unit. You don't have to do anything to it. It's gonna come ready to install. Like I said, I just went ahead and added my own little layers to it and curled it up. I did not co-wash this hair, guys, or do anything to the unit whatsoever, as far as, you know, trying to alter it, you know, in any way other than cutting it. Well, does that make sense? Y'all know what I mean. Y'all absolutely know what I mean. So I'm just gonna have buff curls out in the front area here, just so you can kind of see how it flows. Looks very nice, guys, and even if the wind were to catch me off guard, you wouldn't really see anything on the sides because the unit is very seamless. You guys can see that. Look at that lace. Very seamless, guys. And the hair is very soft as well too, guys. It's like a real buttery, soft body wave texture. It's not too silky, but there is that little silky Barbie effect to it, but it's definitely giving volume and it's giving like a lot of lust. So that's one thing I can say. Even though it is a body wave kind of silky texture, it definitely has a nice luster to it, and it doesn't look like stringy and thin. So this unit is very nice, guys. And like I said, all I'm doing right now is just buffing the curls out just to kind of give you guys an overall look of, you know, the fabulousness. Like, look at that curl. Like, come on, guys. Just giving fabulous altogether. So yeah, so that's basically it, guys. as far as me curling it and adding the powder. That's all you pretty much need to do with this unit. All right, y'all, so that's basically the finished look of this unit. Everything came out super cute, guys, very simple. Let me go ahead and show you guys. It is glueless AF. You can lift it and put it back down. The lace itself is super impeccable, guys. I think they did a really good job with these Byebye knots. Like I said, it's a same day install. It's a 7x5 closure style unit, guys. So you get a good amount of lace. I feel like a middle part style with this with layers is definitely giving a fall holiday type of vibe. I feel like this is definitely the type of wig or style you would wear for the holiday season. It's giving volume, it's giving looks, it's giving vibes, it's giving everything, guys. Definitely check out Beautyforeverhair's Black Friday sales. I'll leave all the coupon codes down below, guys, if you guys are interested in purchasing this unit. I will turn around and show you guys what the back looks like. I feel like the volume on this unit, or the density, is a really nice density as well too, guys. The hair definitely has a great amount of volume, and you guys can see how nice and fluffy the bangs are in the front. So it's a good kind of ratio from the back part to the front. I think they did a really good job with that one, guys. And like I said, this was very, very simple, guys. You guys saw me do it on camera. Didn't do anything, guys. It's just really the base of this unit that's giving it the perfection. The Byebye knots are very nice and simple, guys. You can't do anything, you can't see anything. And because the unit already comes pre-plucked and all that kind of stuff, guys, you really just shake and go with this unit and keep it pushing, if you know what I mean. Leave all the information down below, guys, if you guys are interested in purchasing this unit from Beautyforeverhair. Happy Black Friday, happy holidays to everyone, and I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye.